Are you looking for the best Mido watches for men of 2022? These are some of the best Mido watches we found so far based on specifications. All the watches product buying links were given in the video description. Number 9. Mido Multifort Power Reserve M038.424.33.061.00. With a caoutchouc bracelet, it isn't heavy at all. At the workplace, the lighting is mounted with piercing white LED lamps. The double anti-reflective coating comes handy. I readjust it with my radio-clocked wall clock, couple of minutes every couple of days. I find it quite accurate. Shape of the case, round. Sapphire crystal. Analog display. Double folding closure. Housing material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case height, 13 millimeters. Bracelet material coated in stainless steel. Men's bracelet length standard. Width of the bracelet, 22 millimeters. Strap color, gray. Dial color, gray. Bezel material, stainless steel. Calendar function, date, equipment calendar. Weight, 169 grams. Automatic movement, water resistance, 10 bar. Number 8. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph M040.427.36.042.00. Water resistance, 5 bar, 50 meters, 165 feet. Weight, 95 grams. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Stainless steel case, polished in satin finish, with or without rose gold PVD coating. Sapphire crystal, screwed caseback with see-through crystal. Dial, domed dial, fine sunray brushed pattern, in blue, black, or silver. Arabic numeral on hour, chapter ring. Tachymeter scale on the periphery. Snailed subcounters. Faceted diamond-cut hour and minute hands with white super luminova. Automatic chronograph movement. Cam operated. 30mm by 7.9mm. 27 joules. 28,800 vibrations per hour. 60-hour power reserve. Hours, minutes, small seconds, date, chronograph with 30-minute counter. Strap, rolled edges. Crocodile look leather strap. Polished stainless steel pin buckle matching the case. Number 7. Mido Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition M032.605.47.410.00. The watch strap is a bit tight for my strong wrist, and the limited serial number could be even better marketed or displayed. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp type, buckle. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Band material, cloth. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Weight, 68 grams. Movement, automatic. Number 6. Mido Multifort Chronograph Special Edition M005.614.36.051.22-2. This is a beautiful watch with a handsome dial and nice contrast stitching on the band. Everything is easily set. Black dial with orange hands and dot hour markers. Black PVD stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Swiss automatic movement. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Water resistant to 99 feet. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Push button deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Case thickness 14.5 millimeters. Band material leather. Band length, men's standard. Band width, 23 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, metal. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, day, date. Item weight, 4.48 ounces. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth, 99 feet. Number 5. Mido Commander Shade M8429.3.23.11. It is a piece of formal type. You can observe the quality and the design of Mido. On my wrist, it is a perfect watch. Beautiful watch, exactly as described, a precise monocoque automatic. Being part of the Swatch group, Mido is always synonymous with reliability. The packaging is also wonderful. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, acrylic glass. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 37 millimeters. Case thickness, 10.45 millimeters. Bandwidth, 20 millimeters. Band color, gold. Dial color, silver. Calendar, day, date. Item weight, 3 ounces. Movement, automatic. Water resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 4. Mido Commander ICôNE M031.631.33.061.00. Japanese automatic movement. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Sapphire crystal. Stainless steel case with stainless steel band. Water resistant up to 50 meters, 165 feet, 5 ATM. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, scratch resistant sapphire. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band width, 24 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, anthracite. Bezel material, fixed. Calendar, date. Item weight, 3.95 ounces. Movement, Japanese automatic. Water resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 3. Mido BARONCELLI Wildstone M035.207.37.491.00. Round case shape. Sapphire glass. Analog display. Folding clasp with push button. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 33 millimeters. Case height, 9.75 millimeters. Strap material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Bracelet color, blue. Dial color, white. Calendar, function, date. Weight, 50 grams. Automatic movement. Number 2. Mido Belluna Royal Gent Men's Watch M024.507.11.061.00. Square case shape. Sapphire glass. Analog display. Closure, double safety folding clasp. Housing material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Case height, 10.14 millimeters. Bracelet material, stainless steel. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, silver. Dial color, gray. Calendar, function, date. Equipment waterproof. Automatic movement. Water resistant certification, 5 bar. Number 1. Mido Commander Big Date M021.626.22.031.00. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire. Display type, analog. Fold over clasp with safety release. Metal stamp, no metal stamp, fashion only. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, gold. Dial color, silver. Bezel material, fixed. Calendar, date. Special features, date, hour, minute, second. Weight, 141 grams. Automatic movement.